What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on the render and the render token. Wanted to do an update on that. Didn't do one yesterday. I tried to keep you updated on it quite a bit, and right now there's some things we need to talk about. Yesterday we had some significant price action, I would say, so we'll talk about that and why I thought it was significant. But apart from that, we'll also just talk about what to expect right now. I mean, render has been bearish ever since Binance was sued. We relatively got a smaller rally from when Coinbase was sued. As most of you know, most cryptos actually got back up to the levels they were at. Render did not, and then apart from that, to kind of introduce the fundamentals as well. And we also had the Apple event ending, which Render still got quite a lot of bullish momentum because of that. Because there is some sort of an association with Render and Apple, not that much, but still there's some association, at least there's perceived association. So we got some bullish momentum from that, but that ending created kind of a buy the rumor, sell the news type of effect. So from there we started dropping down. So in this video, I just wanted to talk about what to expect. I mean, it's Friday today. It can be quite unpredictable. So that's also why I thought it was valuable, not necessarily necessary, but valuable to take a look at it as well. So that's what we'll do. Now, before we dive into Render though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment. And there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now into Render. So what we're seeing with Render right now, and we'll dive into the significant movement I saw yesterday. But what we're seeing right now, which is actually also a bearish confirmation, is that the volume is dropping down quite a bit. Volume right now is around 96 million. Those aren't levels we have not seen for a very long time. Like the 3rd and 4th of June, we also had that. But back then, I mean, the prices were still quite a bit higher. So right now, if the price is dropping down, and the volume is dropping down, that means that we're losing momentum. And that goes hand in hand with what we saw yesterday when we broke down below this level right here around 2.25, 2.26. And we had a bearish break retest. We confirmed that bearish breakout. So right now, because Friday is very volatile and it can be volatile both ways, right? It can be bullish, can be bearish. That's just the way it is sometimes. I mean, it's a possibility that Render, for example, breaks above that and gets up to this level right here around 2.35 and 2.37. That's a possibility, but even then, I would still argue that we're bearish, all right? That is the problem that Render has right now. I would say we're too far down, and I think it's more likely that, you know, we might get some, oh, that's text. We might get some bullish momentum, but then that will just bring us up to 2.27, or in the best case scenario, in my eyes, I mean, I could be wrong, of course, but in the best case scenario, it would bring us up to 2.35, 2.37, and then from there we'll find resistance, and we'll kind of drop down to this level right here around 2.05 and $2, where it might be an interesting buy opportunity, to be honest. I mean, right now, if you zoom all the way out, it's a massive trend line there. $2 is a massive psychological support level. So, you know, I'm actually placing a price alert here. It might be an area where I will buy Render. And altogether, it's not that I think we'll crash down that hard, because I actually do expect, because of some economic circumstances, I do expect some bullish momentum from Bitcoin and from the markets in general. Now, it's a shame that Render and the markets are not that correlated, so I'm not sure what we'll feel about that, but it's, I mean, like I said earlier as well, I could be wrong. Definitely, if we get a lot of bullish momentum in the markets right now, we might just hold 2.2 for a very long time, and then, or for a couple of days, and then I was wrong, because I expected to break down pretty soon, like at least like on Monday or something. But I will keep you updated on Render, so don't worry about that. But for now, this seems to be the most likely scenario. So thank you for watching. Take care today, and bye.